We're gonna be doing Fun Monkey Horror Backrooms. It's on App Lab, by the way.
We're in the wrong place. We gotta go that way.
I'm so scared of Scooby-Doo.
Guys, I think I see a monster.
Scooby-Doo toilet.
We're literally gonna turn into the Ohio Scooby-Doo edition.
Scooby-Doo toilet.
Who wants to fight? Who wants to fight me? Who wants to fight me? Let's go.
Guys, who turned into the Phantom
I
Scooby-Doo?
will fight you.
Ah, Lucy!
Oh my god. No.
Hold up, stay here. Hold on.
Guys, is this Scooby-Doo toilet red? Yeah, level 7.
Yes, sir.
It's just that I forgot to do what you so beat it. But you
Shut up.
No one heard the beat. What are y'all doing, bro?
Dude, hurry up.
I'm out of here.
Dude, you literally blend in with the darkness.
I know, right?
That's racist. Racist!
Racist.
You're
I'm black too, my guy.
You're black monkey, bro.
Hey, yo, that's racist.
Racist.
We are literally a monkey. Oh, actually, we're gorillas, not monkeys.
Scooby-Doo toilet red. Yeah, level 7.
You can shut up.
Lucy! Lucy!
Go.
Lucy's trying to chase the level 3 Black Heist in that Phantom Tank. Why are you saying this?
Bro, you're not funny.
Yeah, where are you?
And we're looking for the level fun slides.
I forgot where it was. Yeah, no shit. But where
Yeah, it's not over here. Bro, I lost them. I forgot where. Why did I jump so high?
Scooby-Doo toilet red.
Stupid level 3
Hello?
yacht.
Yeah, guys, look, I have the crucifix.
Okay, I gotta
crucifix.
stop. That's so cool.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
I didn't get the crucifix. Oh.
Dude, he's black.
Run! Alright,
Because
bro.
you're black. Run.
I saw the owner of this game. It was before this, though. Before the.
No, you didn't. Freaking stupid.
His name's like.
How'd you get skull mask? Yo, how'd you get skull mask and witch hat?
Just admit it.
It's literally in every update.
Guys,
We're not This is dangerous. Get out of here.
You're banned.
Bro,
You're
you're
banned.
banned.
Dude, you're freaking banned. No, actually, though, you're banned.
No.
Bro, I
I'm
can't
not
hear it.
banned. You're banned,
Dude,
Scooby-Doo
you're
toilet.
banned. Where are we?
We are in the backrooms, boys.
Straight up, bitch.
I freaking hate your
No
comment.
more sharing password, guys. It's in your puppy.
Guys, the password is Phantom Tax.
What the fuck
The
is this,
password is Scooby-Doo toilet.
bro? What is this, bro?
What? You mean, what is this? It's a yellow tire.
What is this, bro?
Freaking scared of the Phantom Tax.
Wait, guys, let's go this way.
Hey,
Ah!
Oh my god.
guys,
Yo, bro.
guys.
He's getting possessed. Oh my god.
Why is there so much black monkeys?
Oh my god. Bro, I'm never touching that thing ever again, bro. I'm never touching that thing ever again. I'm never touching that thing ever again.
Dude, you got us lost.
Scooby-Doo toilet red.
Why is there a white monkey and a bunch of black monkeys?
Oh no, take it down.
Oh my god, guys. Alright, let's just get on like a girl tag for. Oh my god. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna get on some girl tag for a little bit.